Welcome to our roundup of the best combination wrench sets, essential tools designed to help with automotive repairs, mechanical work, and everyday household maintenance. A good combination wrench set is a must-have in any toolbox because it offers two useful functions in one tool. One side features an open end for quick adjustments, while the other side includes a box end that provides a stronger grip and better torque on nuts and bolts. This design makes it easier to loosen or tighten fasteners in different working situations without constantly switching tools. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who simply wants reliable tools for home repairs, a quality combination wrench set can make your work faster and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at some of the best combination wrench sets available right now. Starting with the WorkPro combination wrench set, this toolkit offers a dependable balance of durability, versatility, and everyday performance. Many WorkPro wrench sets are made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel that helps the tools withstand heavy torque and repeated use without bending or breaking. The polished chrome finish also helps resist rust and corrosion while making the tools easier to clean after messy repair jobs. These wrenches typically feature both an open-end design and a 12-point box end that allows users to grip nuts and bolts from multiple angles. This helps make adjustments easier in tight or awkward working areas. Many sets also include a wide range of metric and SAE sizes, allowing users to handle different types of mechanical tasks without needing additional tools. The included organizer or storage pouch keeps each wrench neatly arranged so you can quickly grab the size you need. With its solid construction and versatile size options, the WorkPro combination wrench set is a reliable addition to any toolbox. Next up is the GrenPro combination wrench set, a versatile set designed to handle a wide range of mechanical and maintenance tasks. These wrenches are commonly constructed from durable alloy or chrome vanadium steel that provides strength and long-term reliability even with frequent use. The polished surface not only improves the appearance of the tools, but also helps protect them from rust and corrosion over time. The box end of each wrench is usually precision machined to provide a tight and secure grip on fasteners. This helps reduce slipping while also preventing damage to the corners of nuts and bolts. The open end allows for quicker positioning when working in tight spaces where a full rotation may not be possible. Many users appreciate the balanced weight and comfortable shape of the handles, which make the tools easier to control when applying higher torque. Moving on to the Toolent Max Grip combination wrench set, this option is designed to provide improved gripping performance when working with stubborn or worn fasteners. The Max Grip design often includes specially shaped teeth or grooves that allow the wrench to hold onto nuts and bolts more securely compared to traditional flat-edge designs. This feature can be especially helpful when dealing with rounded or difficult fasteners. The wrenches are typically made from hardened alloy steel that provides excellent durability and strength under heavy loads. Many versions also feature a slightly angled open end, which improves accessibility when working in narrow engine compartments or confined spaces. The box end usually includes a multi-point design that allows the wrench to connect with fasteners from several angles. Because of its enhanced grip and sturdy construction, the Toolent Max Grip combination wrench set is a great choice for mechanics and DIY users who frequently work with tight or stubborn bolts. Coming in next is the Nyco combination wrench set, a well-known option that offers solid performance and good value for everyday users. Nyco wrench sets are often made from heat-treated steel with a mirror-polished finish that protects the tools from corrosion and makes them easier to clean after messy repair jobs. The raised panel design helps improve strength while keeping the wrenches lightweight enough for comfortable use during extended repair work. The box end typically features a 12-point design that allows easier engagement with nuts and bolts from different angles. This makes repositioning the wrench quicker when working in confined areas where movement is limited. Many Nyco sets also come with a roll-up storage pouch or organizer that keeps each wrench in place and makes the entire set easy to carry between job sites. With its solid construction and versatile size options, the Nyco combination wrench set is a popular choice for homeowners and DIY mechanics. Taking the top spot is the Duratech combination wrench set, a toolkit widely recognized for its strong construction and professional-grade performance. These wrenches are typically made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel that provides excellent strength, durability, and resistance to wear over time. The polished chrome finish not only enhances appearance, but also helps prevent corrosion, ensuring the tools remain reliable for years to come. Many Duratech wrench sets include a 12-point offset box end design that improves access around obstacles and provides better leverage when loosening stubborn fasteners. The open ends are often angled as well, allowing faster repositioning of the wrench during repetitive work. A wide selection of metric and SAE sizes makes the set versatile enough for automotive repairs, mechanical maintenance, and home projects. Most sets also include an organized storage rack or pouch that keeps the tools easy to store and transport. All of these wrench sets serve different needs depending on the type of work and personal preferences. The WorkPro combination wrench set provides reliable everyday durability with a wide range of sizes. The GrenPro combination wrench set delivers balanced performance and solid construction for regular repair tasks. The Toolent MaxGrip combination wrench set focuses on improved grip and control for stubborn fasteners. The Nyco combination wrench set offers great value and dependable functionality for home mechanics, and the Duratech combination wrench set stands out with professional-grade materials and excellent overall performance. That wraps up our list of the best combination wrench sets, from versatile everyday toolkits to heavy-duty sets built for demanding mechanical work. If you're upgrading your toolbox, working on vehicles, or tackling home repair projects, a reliable wrench set can make every task easier and more efficient. Let us know in the comments which wrench set you would choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and equip your toolbox with tools you can rely on for years to come.